Good morning and welcome to the Australian Stock Reports online morning update for the 31st of August 2011. Poor economic data failed to stop a third straight session of gains on Wall Street overnight, with traders instead eyeing this month's FOMC meeting for new stimulus announcements. Fears of another US recession were again at the forefront of investor minds after a report showed consumer confidence plunged the most since the height of the GFC in October 2008. Data showing a continuing decline in US home values helped accelerate the initial declines. However, the Dow completed a triple-digit turnaround once the latest Fed minutes were released. The minutes showed some policymakers favoured further action to support the economy, with the key interpretation being that the Fed may announce some form of quantitative easing later this month. The volatile session in the US is set to have a neutral impact on the Aussie market, with the futures currently pointing to a flat opening this morning. The QE3 speculation drove most risk assets higher overnight and saw the US dollar pair an earlier advance against some of its major rivals. However, the dollar held its ground against the euro, which came under pressure amid regional debt concerns and fading hopes of another rate hike by the ECB. The greenback's general weakness propelled the major commodities higher, with oil rising strongly and gold reclaiming $1,800 an ounce. It was a choppy session for the SPI overnight, with the index initially range-bound but finding support in the 40 to 30 region. The price action then looked to accelerate out of its trading range before a late fade saw the index trade back near the session's opening levels.
Get free access to our daily reports and recommendations now. Visit australianstockreport.com.au/try.